if you're trying to figure out what are the best poses for headshot sessions, then if you watch this video, you will find out some tips and tricks and how you can be more confident in your next headshot session. So the first tip is you want to lean into the camera, and I'll just show you how you can achieve this right now.
Not to turn around, throw it away, see if you'll let go of me.
Next tip is the shoulder lean. So you want to be facing to your side and drop one shoulder and lean towards the camera. And I'll show you now a variety of different photos on how this can look.
I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it.
So the final tip is to point your jawline out. So you want your client to move their neck towards you and then slightly bring their chin down. So it gives like a nice line around your face, just like this.
I'm not gonna lose this. Yeah, kinda hate myself sometimes. Everything was on the line. Didn't wanna be the one who had to say it. No, I can't rewind the time. Promise.
Alright, so I hope you enjoyed. And if you found this helpful, please share this video around. And also, all the equipment I've used in my videos, they're all down in the description below. So if you'd like to get your hands on any of the stuff I've got here, go down in the description below, click the link there, and you can get your hands on it. But I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.